Think of a freeway as a super efficient travel highway made just for fast, non-stop driving. It's like a giant organized racetrack for cars, with rules, exits, and no stoplights. A freeway system is the network of roads and interchanges that work together to move large numbers of vehicles safely and quickly. Here are the main parts you'll see and use. Travel lanes, as they are called, are all the primary lanes used for through traffic. A freeway can have 2 to 6 lanes or even more in one direction. Freeway lanes are divided by a median or barrier to separate the traffic traveling in the other direction. On-ramps and off-ramps, entrance and exit ramps. On-ramps allow vehicles to enter the freeway, often with acceleration lanes. These entrance ramps allow drivers time to search and evaluate traffic flow for gaps and evaluate speed and space requirements for merging onto the freeway flow of traffic. Off-ramps allow vehicles to leave, often curving away from the main line. A freeway off-ramp is like an exit door from the freeway. Its primary purpose is to allow drivers to exit the freeway safely and smoothly without slowing down the fast-moving traffic behind them. Off-ramps are often designed with curves and signs to slow you down gradually as you leave high-speed traffic. Interchanges are where two roads, usually a freeway and another major road, connect without stopping traffic using ramps, bridges, and sometimes loops. They keep traffic moving safely and smoothly. Here are the most common types. Types include cloverleaf, diamond, stack and trumpet interchange. A ramp meter is a traffic light on a freeway on-ramp that controls how quickly cars are allowed to enter the freeway, one car at a time. Why do we need ramp meters? To reduce traffic jams by spacing out cars entering the freeway, to help prevent sudden slowdowns and stop-and-go traffic, to improve safety by reducing merging conflicts. How it works: the light stays red for a few seconds, then turns green for 1 or 2 vehicles to go. This creates even spacing between cars joining the fast-moving lanes. Shoulders are not for driving. They are used as emergency areas for disabled vehicles or service areas for designated work crews. Shoulders are also used for pulling over when being stopped by the police. Guardrails are safety barriers placed along roads, especially on freeways, bridges, curves, and steep drop-offs, to help prevent vehicles from veering off the road. Guardrails are made of steel or concrete and are designed to bend and absorb energy from the crash, which reduces injury risk. Gore area, a triangle patch located between lanes and either an entrance or an exit ramp. It is not legal to enter the gore area at any time. HOV lanes, high occupancy vehicle. HOV lanes are dedicated lanes used exclusively by vehicles with 2 or more people, including buses, carpools, and van pools. HOV lanes can reduce peak period travel time. It is illegal to use the HOV lane as a single-person vehicle. Freeways include special traffic control and safety systems, such as signs and signals. These can be guide signs, speed limits, and warning signs. Now, common are dynamic message signs that can be changed to alert traffic to evolving conditions and announcements. Traffic cameras on freeways are monitored from the area's traffic centers. Another important component of the freeway is landscaping and noise barriers. Vegetation is used for aesthetics and erosion control. In Las Vegas, rocks are used to hold down dust and prevent mudslides during heavy rains. Walls reduce traffic noise to nearby neighborhoods and reduce wind gusts. Each freeway feature is well designed and constructed to ensure smooth and safe operation. You don't always notice them, but they're doing their job every second you drive.